Okay, we're outside. And they're not very happy about it, but they're out. They're yipping. There's Sparkle. Come on, honey. We got a lot of snow. Are you cold? Are you cold, huh? Come on, look at. Here's Mama. Look at all this snow we got. But they're doing okay. I've crammed them through the doggy door a couple times. We gotta get used to this, don't we? There's Mama. Yeah, you wanna go back in? We're still crying. We're crying. All right. All right, we'll go in. All right, we're going into the heating pad, okay?